There's a safety procedure when you're going in and out of a ground blind. Why? Because you're probably going to have a firearm in your hand. Even if you're hunting alone, it's really important to practice this. It's easy to do. Check it out.
First, you need to check that your firearm is safely unloaded. Then, point your muzzle in a safe direction and place the firearm outside of the blind. Or if you're with a buddy, pass your firearm to them while pointing the muzzle in a safe direction. Once inside the blind, double check that your firearm is unloaded and there isn't any dirt or debris in the muzzle. When you're ready to exit at the day's end, or better yet, to claim your prize, just repeat your safe entering procedure in reverse. First, unload your firearm. Then, if you're by yourself, place your firearm outside of the blind before climbing out and point the muzzle in a safe direction. If you're with a buddy, pass the firearm to them before you climb out, keeping the muzzle pointed in a safe direction. Once you're outside of the blind, check the muzzle for dirt or debris.
When you're hunting from a ground blind, you're not going to want to carry all your gear in the ground blind at the same time. It's just too much stuff to carry from your truck to the hunting site. So what you want to do is you want to set the ground blind up a few days before your hunt. Now, this will also give the game an opportunity to return after you've scared them off setting up your ground blind. Now, you're probably also going to get there before sunrise, so make sure it's all set up and ready to go when you get there. Oh, here's another tip. Never use a heater when you're inside a ground blind. The fumes from the heater can create carbon monoxide, which can be deadly. You're also surrounded by flammable material, and if you've built it correctly, it's also covered with sticks and twigs. So you don't want to catch yourself on fire.